Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got something pretty cool to show you guys. I started a shirt merch store on Bonfire. I got an order in for myself to check out real quick to show you guys what I offer on there and how it looks, how it feels, what the logo looks like on it. Now I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I'll just cut to the chase. If you want to support me, my photo, my video work that I've been doing the past couple of years, I will have a link in the description of the video and on my website to click for shirt merch. I hope you excuse that I'm still wearing my work clothes. I literally just got home, just got this in the mail, super excited to open up, check it out. So we'll see what it looks like. We'll just get right in there. Okay, so the first one we're gonna pull out of here is a fluorescent hoodie that I ordered. This is the extra large, I believe. Oh yeah, I really like that look. Looks good. Like the bright color. The background, the logo looks good on there. Pretty impressive. It feels like your standard hoodie you'd get. This is the hoodie itself is made by Gildan. Heavy blend. This is the extra large, as I said. Now, the reason why I got the fluorescent orange is I don't really have a lot of like bright orange colored shirts or jackets for hiking in the fall, so I'm gonna use it for that. I'm pretty excited for it. This is the fitted woman's. This is a large. It tells you to buy 2 sizes bigger than you would normally wear just for shrinkage, because I believe it's 100% cotton. So 60% cotton, 40% polyester. This is for my wife. She's gonna love it. Get it washed. Came out nice. Has a little bit of a faded look to it, a little bit of a worn look. And this shirt is made by Next Level Apparel. And then we'll get to the last shirt here. I'll just put these on the ground. They're shirts. Then this is my shirt. I'll probably just wear this to work, under my work shirt. Wear this whenever I'm out shooting, represent myself. Oh yeah, I think it's gorgeous. Nothing on the back of any of them, just on the front. This is an extra large. Also made by Next Level. Again, it is 60% cotton, 40% polyester, and it feels soft. We'll do the baby test. I'll do that later. Do that later with our little girl. She'll probably like it. She'll probably just slobber all over it and laugh and smile. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the way it feels. It's just soft, feels airy, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cheap. Feels like it's going to be real comfortable. But as I mentioned earlier, I'll put a link in the description for this if you want to support me, get some shirt merch for yourself. Came in a little bag, felt pretty waterproof, so I don't think you'll worry about that if it ever rains and your mail's getting delivered. But I believe, I might be wrong, so you have to check the prices. I'm just going off the top of my head on this. I believe the hoodie was about 40 bucks. The woman's fitted, I believe, was 27. I guess this would be the woman's fitted. And then the extra large regular fit, I think that was like 25. But I do make a couple dollars off each shirt, maybe $5–6 a shirt. So I really appreciate if you guys go out there and pick one up. It really helps me out here since COVID and all that. I haven't really been able to go to too many air shows, shoot too much commercial stuff. So this is something I've always wanted to do, and this gives me the opportunity to do it and get it out there. And I hope you guys enjoy it if you do get one. I really appreciate it. Like, you don't understand how excited I am to have this. But yeah, thanks for watching me on the shirt merch here, and really appreciate the support you guys give me, the hundreds of people I got on YouTube and Facebook, and 1,000 or so on Instagram, a couple hundred on Twitter. You guys are the best. But I really appreciate it, and stay safe out there and enjoy your hiking and outdoors.